the divine masculine and the divine feminine. What's going on in your connection right now? So yes, you guessed it right. This is going to be a twin flame reading. We will check your situation, what's going on within your connection, and we have all the cards that we need. Okay. Tide of transition, self-embrace, walking unscathed, duality dance. So whoever is watching this, the divine masculine or the divine feminine, again, the energy is not the gender. You can be of any gender, but I'm talking about the energies. Energies are only of two types, the masculine and the feminine. So the universe is asking you to embrace the change that you are seeing right now with an open mind. You are in a kind of transitional phase right now. And only when you accept it with openness, with an open heart and an open mind, will you be guided forward in love and in work. So you need to embrace yourself, love yourself and accept yourself the way that you are. When you love yourself, everything else falls in place very easily. The changes that you are currently seeing are not much, maybe just some minor changes that you need to make. It seems like you are guided by the divine, protected by your spirit angels, because there was kind of a trap for you which has not affected you. You have escaped that. So your guides are looking out for you. You have to seek balance. You might feel that the change is bringing chaos into your life, or maybe you don't like too much change, but you have to seek balance, because that is when you will come into harmony with yourself. Should I read these meanings? Yes, maybe I will, because these cards have two meanings each. Two messages on each card, so we will check that. Yeah, it's the same thing. Embrace the change and go with the flow. Do not resist. Because sometimes when we don't accept the changes that are supposed to happen in our life, we get stuck in the same cycles. It keeps repeating over and over again until we have learned our lesson. So it's better to accept what comes your way and go with the flow. Then you can break the cycle and recognize your value and stand proudly in your truth. Self-love is the foundation for all relationships, be it with your family, your friends, your twin flame. You need to embrace yourself first. You need to love yourself first. Don't worry about what's going to happen, because you are protected. The universe will protect you and shelter you as it guides you towards the path that you are supposed to take on this journey. So keep that in mind. The universe is with you and it has your back. Steady as you go. So move ahead with patience and resilience, and trust yourself that you do have enough strength to move forward and overcome the obstacles that come your way. There could be twists and turns, a kind of chaos that you were not ready for, but accept it and make some changes within yourself regarding that. I feel like these cards are for the divine feminine, and you have started to ascend on a higher level. That's why you are being asked to love yourself first. Before loving your twin flame or anyone else, you need to love yourself first. Once you start loving yourself, your twin flame will also love you more. Because the divine feminine's journey always starts much before the masculine's journey. Okay, so what do we have here? Two-faced, authentic self, bridging differences, keeping up appearances. Be your authentic self. When you show your true self to others, you automatically gain more courage in facing things that come your way, difficult things that come your way. It could be that you and your twin flame belong to different cultures, and maybe some of the things that they believe in would be a bit difficult for you to understand. So that could be kind of challenges, but at the same time, you can see a different perspective. You can see their perspective about how their life is, and you can grow with that knowledge. It's always good to know about different things. You might feel that it's a bit of challenge, but it's a good challenge. It will help you grow into a better person. Right now you might be keeping up appearances, just maybe trying to please everyone, trying to do things and say things that others will like. Maybe you are even hurting a bit deep down, but you don't say that out loud to anyone. You act like everything is fine with you, but maybe you do have some issues within yourself. This card, I just need to clarify this one, two-faced. Okay, it's a circle of drama. So it seems like your friend circle, someone within your friend circle or your social circle is kind of deceitful. They might be taking advantage of you. You might feel that that person is very friendly with you, but they do have a hidden motive. Maybe they are taking advantage of you in some way. So this card says that your social circle is full of dramatic changes. So just don't trust everyone that you know, that you meet. And be aware about the people, how they act towards you, and just keep in mind to make sure that they don't take advantage of you, unfair advantage. So be your authentic self and embrace the changes that are coming your way with patience and resilience. Okay, some more cards. If you don't accept these changes that come your way, this journey takes on longer and longer until you learn to accept the things. The journey that I'm talking about, it's the twin flame journey. It's already a bit, not a bit, but quite hard. And you have to be open. Keep yourself open to the changes and challenges that come your way and face them with courage. Because the divine is always with you, guiding you, protecting you. Conflicted. releasing, trapped, and hopeless. These cards seem to be what you are feeling at this moment. We didn't get any card from your divine counterpart. All these cards have come out for you, the person who is watching this. And I strongly believe it's the divine feminine who is watching this. Like these previous cards says that there are changes coming your way, or maybe you already have challenges to face and you are conflicted about making the right decisions. There could be some choices that you have to make, maybe regarding your person, regarding the challenges that the connection brings, and you are feeling trapped, like you can't or you won't be able to do anything. You do have inner strength, but you don't know it yet. You don't totally believe in yourself at this time. Is that the case with you? You feel hopeless at this moment and like everything will fall apart within the relationship. You feel like your person has walked away from you and they will not come back. So this is your mind which is holding you back at this moment, not letting you move forward, which is what you need to do. As the previous card said, all the cards were about self-growth and forward movement. So you have to move forward, no matter how much hard the path seems. You have to move forward with courage and with trust that the universe has your back. Only then will these feelings, of despair and hopelessness will go away. You need to release your fear, and you can do affirmations for that. That will be helpful. The main message from this reading is that you need to start believing in yourself. You need to love yourself and trust that you have the courage to move forward and tackle any challenges that come your way. Once you do that, you will feel so much more at peace. You will not feel trapped at all. Once you let go of the fear and accept what's coming your way. And I'm giving you this advice from a personal experience. Affirmations do help a lot on this journey. They will help you train your subconscious mind the way that you want to think, the way that you want to feel, and help you move forward. As the clear message that we got from this card, you need to move forward. So let go of the fear. So it is very possible to get out of the despair and the hopelessness that you are feeling right now. And once you do that, your relationship will blossom. It will help you a lot on your twin flame journey. So those were the messages for you today. Take care of yourself, do some affirmations, trust the universe, and trust the divine timing that's always at work behind the scenes. Do like and comment if this resonated with you, and subscribe to my channel for the daily guidance videos that I post every morning, and press the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of that. Thank you all so much for joining, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.